Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about how to raise an intelligent and super smart baby. All parents share a desire to raise a smart baby. They believe that a smart baby will be happy, healthy, and enjoy a prosperous life. Many parents do not know where to begin. However, they may feel overwhelmed and worry that raising a smart baby will be very difficult or beyond their means. Yet these concerns and worries are far from the truth. A loving and caring home will go a long way towards developing your baby's intelligence. Watch till the end, because I will be talking about how bonding and interacting from birth help develop your baby's brain, when to introduce educational playtime and its importance to your baby's brain development, and also the need for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Bonding and interacting from birth. Bond with your baby. Experts note that, upon birth, a baby's brain is concerned with safety. Without a feeling of safety, your baby will be unable to learn as well as they could. Immediately after birth, there are a number of steps you can take to make your baby feel secure, all of which are related to bonding with your child. Skin-to-skin contact helps bonding and brings a feeling of safety. Keep your baby close when going out. Try using a baby wrap rather than a stroller. Breastfeed if possible, as this has a number of benefits for bonding and brain development. Try to avoid fighting with your spouse in front of your baby, as this will make the baby feel insecure. Stop worrying about spoiling. Many parents worry that responding immediately to a baby's needs will result in spoiling a child. But this is not true. By responding immediately to your baby, you are teaching him that they can communicate with you. You are also providing your baby with the security they need to develop into a smart baby. Socialize early and often. Children who are socialized with other children from a young age learn important life skills. It helps children become familiar with different ideas, people, and cultures. Early socialization will also help your child when they go to school. They will be better prepared for a social environment, and recent studies suggest your child may read better as a result of socialization as well. Interact with your baby and keep talking. We live in a high-tech and fast-paced world, where there are apps and television programs designed to make your baby smarter from birth. Recent studies suggest that this is not the case, and claim that such programs may actually slow word learning. Some scientists argue that these results were found because apps and television replace one-on-one time between parents and their baby. As you go about your day, talk to your baby and tell her what you are doing and why. Even though she cannot respond, she is listening to everything you say. By the age of 3, babies who are talked to frequently have an IQ 1.5 times as high than those who were not talked to frequently. Avoid television, tablets, and other screen-based entertainment. Excessive use of such devices has been shown to impact upon children in negative ways, ranging from poorer performance in school to attention deficit problems. Given that your child's brain is developing so rapidly at an early age, the American Academy of Pediatrics does not recommend the use of these devices for children under 2. Try setting up a screen-free zones in your house. Make sure there are no televisions, video games, or tablets in bedrooms. Also, try turning off the television during dinner. Educational television and apps are not necessarily a bad thing, but they should not be used to replace one-on-one parent contact and not be used before the age of 2. Introducing educational playtime. Read to your baby. While your baby will not be able to read, introducing her to reading early on will help her become a lifelong reader, and people who read tend to be smarter. Reading is also a great way to connect and bond with your baby. Buy books or borrow books from the library with lots of pictures. Your baby will love them and the sound of your voice. Try adding reading to your baby's nightly bedtime routine. Buy your baby some toys, but do not overwhelm him. Toys have been shown to help with a baby's brain development. It is important that toys are age-appropriate. Do not let your infant play with toys for a 2-year-old, for instance. Toy labels are clearly marked with age guidelines and they should be followed. Infants up to 9 months are fascinated by colors and sound, so try giving a rattle to babies this age. After 9 months your baby should be able to play with puzzle toys, so try giving her a stacking toy. Any toys that encourage curiosity will be beneficial for your baby's intelligence. Encourage experience and exploration. Experiencing different environments helps with a baby's brain development. It broadens a baby's horizons and allows him to see new and interesting things. Likewise, exploring different materials and textures will help get him interested in new things. All of this helps develop a smart baby. To experience different things, take your baby to different places: the grocery store, the library, museums, aquariums, zoos, farmers markets and any other place where you may run errands. Help your child explore different materials, textures and temperatures. Let him or her discover things for themselves, but be sure to provide a safe environment. Play games while exploring with your baby. When you are walking outside, play games like what color is that car, or what shape is that sign. While playing these games, be sure to encourage your child constantly as they begin talking and identifying things. This will give her the confidence they need to be smart and expressive. As you explore, point objects out with your finger to help your baby learn faster. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Have your baby breastfeed if possible. Numerous scientific studies have concluding that breastfeeding is the best food for your baby's brain development. Furthermore, studies have suggested that babies who are breastfed exclusively have more brain development than babies who are given a combination of breast milk and formula. Doctors suggest breastfeeding for at least 3 months. Have your baby eat healthy. Once your baby has stopped breastfeeding or formula, there are a number of foods that can be introduced that benefit brain growth. These include blueberries, yogurt, squash, lentils, broccoli, avocado, meats, prunes, mandarin oranges and dark leafy green vegetables like spinach. Try cooking a stew with meat to make it nice and soft for your baby. Try steaming spinach and mixing it in with your baby's cereal. Don't be concerned with unsaturated fat. Your baby actually needs it for brain development. Encourage activity. Studies have shown that children with regular physical activity score better on cognitive tests than children who are inactive. In particular, physical children are better at paying attention. A German study of older children found that children learn vocabulary words 20% faster after exercise. Try getting your infant out of the car seat and stroller more. Of course, your baby needs to remain in a car seat while driving, but keeping her in a car seat for hours at a time while not driving may actually be slowing her physical and mental development. Toddlers should get at least 30 minutes of structured playtime per day. Preschoolers should get at least 60 minutes. All activities should be age appropriate. You should not try to rush your baby. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.